ConnectWise RMM is a comprehensive remote monitoring and management tool designed to help IT professionals and managed service providers manage and monitor their clients' networks and systems. In this review, we will explore the key features and benefits of ConnectWise RMM to determine if it is the best RMM tool for your needs. First, let us start with the key features of ConnectWise RMM. The platform offers real-time monitoring and alerts, automated workflows and scripting, patch management, and remote access and control. These features allow IT professionals to proactively monitor and manage their clients' systems, reducing downtime and increasing overall efficiency. One of the main benefits of ConnectWise RMM is its ease of use. The platform offers an intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and manage multiple clients and systems. Additionally, ConnectWise RMM offers a range of integrations with other popular IT management tools, making it easy to incorporate into your existing workflow. In terms of security, ConnectWise RMM offers robust security features, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and access controls. These features help to ensure that your client's data is protected and secure. To get the most out of ConnectWise RMM, it is essential to follow best practices. This includes setting up real-time monitoring and alerts, automating workflows and scripts, and regularly reviewing and updating patch management. By following these best practices, you can maximize the benefits of ConnectWise RMM and improve your overall IT management. In conclusion, ConnectWise RMM is a powerful and comprehensive remote monitoring and management tool that offers a range of features and benefits. Its ease of use, robust security features, and integrations with other popular IT management tools make it an excellent choice for IT professionals and managed service providers. Whether you are looking to improve your IT management, reduce downtime, or increase efficiency, ConnectWise RMM is definitely worth considering.